Hello, everybody. All right, let's go ahead and talk about a request that actually came in from a follower and a friend. So thank you very much for the suggestion. And that question was pretty much, hey, how do I, set up a broker and an account, and how do I get started? What tools do I need to get going if I want to start trading? So thank you very much for that suggestion. It was a great idea, and I thought I'd make it the basis for this week's video. So let's talk about that. Before we actually do that, I want to direct you to my website, a2zstocks.wordpress.com. Right on the front page there, I have an article and a link to a video of 10 things you must do before you start trading. Very, very critical if you're just getting started or if you're brand new to the game. Take a quick look at that video. It's about 5 minutes long. And then, of course, I have also an article that kind of references the video that references the article in greater depth. So please take a look at that. Once you are ready to go, what you want to do is you're really going to need two or three main things. Number one, you're going to need a broker, right? The broker is the one that actually houses your account. So it's kind of like going to the bank and telling the broker, hey, I'd like to set up an account. I'm going to fund it with $500, $1,000, $100,000, whatever it is. And that's going to be my cash account to be used as the basis for trading. So one of the brokers that I have is called TradeStation. So you can just go to their website, tradestation.com. You can open up an account. You don't have to have anything in there. In other words, I don't believe there's a minimum of money you need to put in there. But you can set up the account, and you can use their platform to do what's called paper trading, which is like trading with a fake account, just to get going and used to be able to get familiar with their system. All right, now. There's a variety of different brokers out there. I'm going to go ahead and link an article posted by NerdWallet of the 11 best online brokers. As you can kind of see, TradeStation is listed as one of them. There's a variety of different ones, and they all offer different types of features, but they will all allow you to trade stocks. Okay. Now, what else do you need? You also need a charting platform, and the charting platform is going to give you the ability to analyze charts on a technical basis and allow you to make decisions based on price action and volume. Volume being supply and demand of the amount of shares that are being bought and sold on any given particular time frame, whether it's a 1 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so forth. So you're able to look at charts to be able to say, oh, okay, it looks like this trend is moving up. I want to place a trade here and so forth. Okay, so the third thing you're going to need is a trading journal, because you want to be able to document every single trade and learn from your mistakes and identify areas where you can improve as a trader. Nobody's going to come in and start making a lot of money up front. It just doesn't happen that way. You got to learn the tricks of the trade, and one of the best ways is to educate yourself by documenting all the information into a trading document and then reviewing that document weekly, daily, nightly, whatever it is, and then identifying things that you're making mistakes on, and then improve those in the next trading session. Okay, so TraderView is one that I like to use, and very simple to use, and basically it just allows you to enter multiple data points, and then it gives you beautiful charts to be able to see your statistics. Okay, so I'll link all of these into the video, but basically what you're going to want to do is inside TradingView, you're going to go to the chart, and again, this is our charting platform. And this is where you're going to be able to link your broker, right? So if you come down here to where it says Trading Panel, and by the way, you'll create a free account here as well. You'll click on Trading Panel, and you can see all the different types of brokers that you're going to be able to use. And you can see TradeStation is one of them. So when you connect your broker to the charting platform, you're going to be able to enter buy and sell orders, right? So I'll just log into this little paper trading account that we have here, for example. And I'll show you how to go ahead and execute kind of like a trade, right? So you can enter a buy trade. Doesn't look like I connected there. Okay, so here we go. So let's just say you want to enter a buy trade on Apple. No problem. You can enter 100 shares. Click buy. Bing, bang, boom. You got your 100 shares in, okay? As the market is moving for you or against you, you'll see that you're either losing money or making money. And at any point in time, you can click on sell, and you can sell partial shares. You can sell 100% of your shares, whatever it is. So again, I'm in a kind of a trading account. It's like a paper trading account, which is just used for fun to learn how to use the system. Click sell, and I'm done.